Welcome to this video series on Citrix Platform Flex. In this, we're going to cover 4 key areas. What are the business conditions that prompt Citrix's investment in Citrix Platform Flex, and why does it matter for this moment? Next, we're going to cover a key component of Citrix Platform Flex, personas. We'll cover the architecture of Citrix Platform Flex, how is it built, and lastly, we'll cover the migration strategy around Citrix Platform Flex. Across nearly every organization, we're seeing the same tension. Leaders want the benefits of cloud, but without the operational chaos, surprise costs, or specialized skill burden that often comes with it. Across industries, cloud initiatives that looked compelling on paper are becoming hard to control operationally. We've seen environments sized for peak demand that drive ongoing cost inefficiency, and teams struggling to support very diverse workloads and locations with architectures that were never designed for that level of variation. What makes this especially challenging is that there is no single starting point. Maybe you're moving cautiously due to risk or regulatory concerns, rebuilding confidence after early missteps, or you're already cloud competent but weighed down by operational complexity. This is exactly why we built Citrix Platform Flex. It's for the moment when your ambition to modernize is clear, but the traditional path feels too risky, expensive, or complex. At its core, Citrix Platform Flex is a cloud-managed, persona-based operating model for secure access. It meets you exactly where you are. Instead of forcing an all-in cloud decision, Citrix Platform Flex aligns predictable and flexible spend to actual user needs, not worst-case scenarios. It simplifies operations through consistent Citrix-managed infrastructure, and it reduces risk through standardized designs without constant re-architecture. This is the real shift. Rather than asking, what infrastructure should we build, the conversation becomes, what outcomes do we need? What level of control, cost certainty, and operational effort are we willing to accept to achieve them? Citrix Platform Flex gives you that framework to evaluate these criteria and build a secure access platform that sets you up for the future. To see how it works, we have to start thinking about the foundation, understanding the people who use the environment. That's where personas come in. We'll talk about how a persona is the foundation for smarter, more predictable decisions that directly shape a successful Citrix Platform Flex strategy in our next video.